large female ogopogo emerges from the depths of the lake, as if to make a stealthy approach on her tiny shelled cousin. Measuring up to half a football field in length, and longer than 2 school buses, but shorter than 6 grown men standing on their toes, the ogopogo can weigh as much as 25 40-pound bricks, or the equivalent of roughly 503 large pizzas. Fascinating and critical information to which the tiny turtle remains blissfully oblivious, cruising happily along on his watery excursion of ignorance. Ogopogo makes her entrance. Her enthusiasm may have proven too much for her little scaly friend. She is, however, about to get a taste of her own medicine. The giant inland broccoli octopus, truly king of the lake. Slightly smaller than 2 city blocks, but still wider than my neighbor. She is a ravenous hunter, conveniently able to consume the equivalent of as many as 503 large pizzas. Yet, sadly, the only true threat to the lake's ecosystem is this. Carelessness has led to nearly a ton of human refuse entering the lake every month, roughly the equivalent of eating a small automobile every 30 sleeps. In sobering displays of resilience, creatures like the turtle find ways to adapt. As in every corner of the globe, and not unlike a traditional deep dish pan pizza, life again comes full circle.